Dear viewer, I am Dr. Natasha. The videos on this channel of mine are positive and safe sex education videos. These educational videos are made for adults only. Sex is a natural and significant part of human life, and understanding it in a comprehensive and respectful way is essential for maintaining physical, emotional, and mental well-being. It's important to approach the topic with maturity, open-mindedness, and respect for others. Here are some key aspects to understand about sex. Consent. One of the most important aspects of sex is consent. Consent means that all parties involved willingly and enthusiastically agree to engage in sexual activity. Consent should be clear, mutual, and ongoing, meaning that it can be withdrawn at any time. Understanding and respecting boundaries is vital for a healthy sexual relationship. Communication. Open and honest communication with a partner is essential for a positive sexual experience. Discussing desires, preferences, boundaries, and concerns can help both individuals feel more comfortable and safe. Communication also involves discussing contraception methods, protection against sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and any other factors that could affect the experience. Sexual health and safety. Protecting yourself and your partner from sexually transmitted infections, STIs, is an essential part of sexual health. Using protection, such as condoms, can significantly reduce the risk of transmission. Regular testing for STIs, especially when having multiple sexual partners, is important for everyone's health. Contraception is also a key part of sexual safety, as it helps prevent unintended pregnancies. There are various methods available, such as birth control pills, condoms, intrauterine devices, IUDs, and more, depending on individual preferences and needs. Understanding different sexualities. It's important to acknowledge that sexuality is diverse. People can have different sexual orientations, desires, and preferences, and these variations are completely normal. Respecting people's individual choices and preferences helps foster a more accepting and inclusive environment. Emotional and psychological aspects. Sex isn't only a physical act, it can also be deeply emotional. It can create strong emotional bonds between partners, and it's important to be mindful of each other's emotional well-being during and after sex. For some, sex can lead to feelings of intimacy and closeness, while for others, it may be more casual. Emotional communication and respect are critical in ensuring that all parties feel comfortable and valued. Avoiding coercion and abuse. It's important to recognize that any form of coercion or manipulation in sexual situations is unacceptable. Sexual activity must always be a mutual choice, without pressure or force. Abuse, whether physical, emotional, or verbal, has no place in any relationship. If you or someone you know is in an abusive relationship, it's crucial to seek help from a trusted professional or support organization. Understanding the impact on relationships. Sexual activity can have a significant impact. Relationships. In a healthy relationship, it strengthens the emotional bond between partners. However, if not handled with care, it can also lead to complications. It's important for partners to openly discuss their desires, expectations, and any challenges they may face. In cases where partners have different needs or desires, talking about these differences can help prevent misunderstandings. Body awareness and respect. Every individual's body is different, and it's important to have a healthy awareness and appreciation for one's body as well as your partner's. Being comfortable with your body and learning what feels good for you and your partner can make sex a more enjoyable experience. Respecting each other's bodies, communicating openly about preferences, and ensuring mutual enjoyment can contribute to a more fulfilling sexual experience. Education and continuous learning. Sex. Education is a continuous process that can help individuals make informed decisions about their sexual health. It's important to keep learning and educating yourself about topics related to sex, whether it's about new methods of contraception, evolving societal attitudes toward sex, or how to communicate better with your partner. Being informed helps you make responsible and healthy choices. Cultural and societal influences. Different cultures, societies, and religions have varying views on sex. Understanding and respecting these diverse perspectives is important, but it's also essential to focus on personal choice, health, and well-being. Each person has the right to make their own informed decisions about their sexual life without judgment or discrimination. Conclusion: sex is a natural and integral part of life that requires knowledge, consent, communication, and respect. By being informed and respectful, individuals can ensure that their sexual experiences are positive, safe, and fulfilling. It's essential to foster a healthy attitude toward sex and relationships, one that emphasizes safety, communication, and mutual respect. Understanding these elements not only promotes well-being, but also supports a society where all people can express their sexuality freely and responsibly.